In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my cursor not showing in OneNote. First, let's start with the simplest solution, restarting OneNote. Begin by saving any unsynced changes you may have made. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that no important notes are lost during the process. Once you've saved your work, close OneNote completely. You can do this by clicking the X in the corner of the window or using the Task Manager to end the task. After closing the app, wait a moment before reopening it. When you launch OneNote again, check to see if the cursor has returned. This often resolves minor glitches and is a quick way to refresh the application. Now, if your cursor is still missing, we can try switching pages and zooming in and out. This workaround has proven effective for many users, especially those using Mac. Begin by opening a different page within the same notebook. This helps to reset the view. Next, zoom in on that page and then zoom back out. After doing this, return to your original page and repeat the zooming action. Sometimes this simple trick can jolt the cursor back into visibility. It's a handy method that saves you time and effort and can quickly resolve display issues. If the cursor is still not visible, the next step is to restart your computer. A restart can often clear temporary display or graphics issues that might be affecting OneNote. To do this, click on the Start menu and select the Restart option. Once your computer has rebooted, open OneNote again and check if the cursor is now showing. This is a fundamental troubleshooting step that fixes many software-related problems. Next up, we need to ensure that OneNote and Microsoft Office are up to date. Start by opening any Microsoft Office app such as Word. Once it's open, navigate to the File menu and select Account. Here you should see an option for Update Options. Click on it and select Update Now. This process will search for any available updates and install them. After the update is complete, restart OneNote. Keeping your software updated is essential, as updates often include bug fixes and enhancements that can resolve issues like a disappearing cursor. If the problem persists, we can move on to repairing or resetting OneNote, but this is specific to Windows. First, open Settings and navigate to Apps, then Installed Apps. Here you'll find OneNote listed among your applications. Click on it, then select Advanced Options. In this menu, you'll see the Repair option. Click on that to start the repair process. If the issue continues after the repair, you can go back and click Reset. This action restores OneNote to its original state, which often resolves persistent issues. Lastly, we will test OneNote in safe mode on Windows Desktop. This is a great way to diagnose problems. Press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type OneNote/safe and then press Enter. This will launch OneNote in safe mode. If your cursor appears in this mode, it suggests that an add-in may be causing the issue. To resolve this, disable any recently installed add-ins and restart OneNote normally. This step is important because add-ins can sometimes conflict with the software, leading to unexpected behavior. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your cursor in OneNote. Remember that troubleshooting can sometimes take a little time, but with patience and persistence, you can resolve the issue effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your cursor back in action.